guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be testing out another latte recipe. This is one that I got from Pinterest from ethnicspoon.com, and the link is down in the description below as always. And this one I just wanted to try simply because I'm so curious about this. It's an egg latte, so I wanted to give it a shot. So if you guys want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. So to get going on this recipe, I first separated my white from my yolk of my egg while I danced around, and then I put my yolk in a bowl and poured in 4 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. And I was still just dancing around. And then I made my espresso in my little Italian coffee maker. I will link that down in the description below if you want to get one for yourself. And I just twisted my little thing on nice and tight so that this contraption would work, and got to the stove and just let that go. And then next I whipped my sweetened condensed milk and my yolk together. And the instructions just said to mix it until it was like all frothy and thicker. And I wasn't quite sure when I got to that part. But once my coffee was ready, I whipped it some more just to make sure that it was all good to go. And then I just poured my coffee into the mug of choice, and that was my espresso. And next I poured my sweetened condensed milk mixture on top, and doesn't that look so rad? I thought it was so cool. I just poured it on top like they said. They didn't say to mix it all in, so I just did what they said, and that was it. Alrighty, so it's all doing its thing, so I'm just gonna give it a taste and let you know if it's love at first bite. It is I'm like nervous. I want to stir this together. I can't even get any coffee. One more time. Whew. Oh man. That's really strong espresso. Now that I finally got some, let's talk about it. It's good. The espresso has its individual components, and the sweetened condensed milk part of it is good. I guess my only thing is, unless I stir this together, I'm not going to want to drink it because it's so messy. It's got such like a thick head of foam. So I'm going to grab a spoon and stir this together. And I use a baby spoon for pretty much anything and everything that I can. This is much better mixed. If you make this, mix it. But my thing is, like, I'm not a huge lover of the strong coffee flavor. I've just never loved deep, strong of a coffee flavor. So if that is something that you like, you'll really like this. Similar to the first latte recipe I made, I'll link it up here if you haven't seen it. But the sweetened condensed milk egg mixture, it doesn't really have a super distinct flavor, I would say, because egg yolk itself is not very flavorful. When I've ever made it in like a custard or anything, it just kind of adds a richness. I would rate this a 9 out of 10. Not a 10 out of 10 because I'm a baby and I don't like my coffee to be strong. Only because it only uses 4 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. And I don't know what the hell I'm going to do with the rest of it. This is something that I would definitely make and have at home for sure because it's so easy if I was having people over. So that way I don't have to try to find something else to make with sweetened condensed milk. Because I don't like wasting anything. But I don't want to just sit there with a spoon like I want to and eat the whole dang can. But that's it, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this latte here. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this kind of unusual recipe, and leave a comment down below for any other future recipes that you want tested. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.